This chicken lived for 18 months without a head. Yeah, real story. Here's how. In 1945, a farmer swung an axe at a chicken but missed just enough of the brainstem. The part that controls breathing and movement was still intact. Mike could walk, balance, even try to peck. His owner fed him using a dropper, milk and water straight into his throat. They even cleaned mucus with a syringe to keep him alive. And it worked. Mike lived for a year and a half and made thousands touring the US, but one night, Mike started choking. And the syringe? They left it behind. They couldn't clear his throat and Mike was gone. He survived the axe, but not a clogged throat. Would you keep a headless chicken alive? Comment below and subscribe for more mind-blowing stories.